Sustainable development demands a careful balance between economic growth and environmental protection. With over 6 decades of service to the nation, NLC India Limited operates across multiple states, including Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Assam, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Environmental sustainability remains central to its growth strategy, with focused investments in low-emission technologies and renewable energy initiatives. In line with its environmental responsibility, NLCIL has implemented systematic mine reclamation and afforestation programs. At Neyveli, over 2 crore trees have been planted, and nearly 76 artificial lakes have been created across mining areas, enhancing green cover and ecological connectivity. To scientifically assess the ecological outcomes of these initiatives, NLCIL commissioned a comprehensive study on avifaunal diversity. Conducted by the Forest College and Research Institute, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, under Dr. K. Bharanidharan, the study involved scientists, research fellows, and over 80 students, spanning all seasons. The study documented rich wetland avifauna across Neyveli's artificial lakes. Key species observed in significant numbers include the great egret, cattle egret, painted stork, black-headed ibis, black-winged stilt, and common moorhen. The dominance of piscivorous birds reflects healthy aquatic ecosystems and adequate trophic support. Afforestation zones support a diverse terrestrial bird community. Commonly recorded species include the rose-ringed parakeet, common myna, jungle babbler, Indian robin, and common tailor bird. The presence of insectivorous species contributes to natural pest regulation, reinforcing ecosystem stability. Neyveli also serves as a seasonal habitat for migratory species such as the grey heron and white stork. In total, 107 bird species were recorded, 77 terrestrial and 30 wetland, belonging to 59 families. While 104 species fall under the least concern category, 3 species are classified as near threatened under the IUCN Red List, emphasizing the need for continued protection. The avifaunal diversity of Neyveli demonstrates that scientifically planned mining and power generation can coexist with biodiversity conservation. This documentation serves as an educational resource and a replicable model for sustainable industrial development. NLC India Limited proudly dedicates this compendium to students, researchers, and citizens, reaffirming its commitment to environmental stewardship and national progress. NLC India Limited, powering progress sustainably.